Alright guys, we're gonna do a quick cold start with the Turf Tracer. I'm gonna go to 2 houses, see what I can get for video. It's a little cramped in here, so it sucks starting. And then turn the key on. So yeah, I'll see what I get for a video at the jobs. But there it is. It really needs to be washed off. It's really dirty, so it's been clean up. But whatever. Put the spreader back in here. And yeah. Alright, talk to you guys later. Alright guys, I didn't get any moving, but so here's the Turf Tracer and stuff on the Toyota. There's a Turf Tracer, my first 580, and two 326 LSs. This makes a pretty good rig for mowing, but I'd really like to get a trailer because this sucks walking all these with the 36. I have like 7 accounts out of the neighborhood that I use this for, and that's bi-weekly, so yeah. But Turf Tracer would be needed at those, even if I brought the laser. But see, the Turf Tracer has 3.2 hours on it now. It's not bad. I didn't use it too much yet. And then the Laser S series, it has about 10 hours, I think, and the Laser CT has about 211, 12, 13, something around there. But yeah, so step back here. The sun is right there, but so yeah, it looks kind of weird, but whatever, works. Now let's go back here. So yeah. Let's see. Can you see that? No, you can't, but it's 3.2 hours. Yeah, like I said before, it really needs to be washed off. Let's see this. Just really dirty. But yeah, it's nice. I went through probably a whole spool of whip line today. 3 accounts. So it's whatever. But yeah, one of them, they both ran out of line, and I had 1 extra spool with me. And but then when I put that in, ran out of gas. I didn't feel like switching the head because then it all comes apart and stuff, and I have to rewind it. So I dumped some gas from this one into this one. This is the newer one. This is the older one. It's about 2 or 3 years old, this one. And this one's less than a year old. But last summer, I think. But yeah. Once I have a trailer, I'll probably bring both 580s just because. But I definitely won't run out of gas while I'm out doing the 580. Because that tank lasts for like 2 hours. So as long as I fill up before I go, I'm good. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, I'm going to go put this in the shed. And those in the shed. And yeah. So thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.